Hello children, in today's video we are going to study present perfect continuous tense. Okay, in my previous videos I have already taught you simple present, present continuous, present perfect tenses. Okay, and today we are going present perfect continuous tense. So present perfect continuous tense is used when we want to talk about something which is started in near past and that is still going on. Okay, so to talk about these things we need to express these things with the help of time expressions, and here we are using two time expressions. If we want to talk about particular time, let me write exact. If we want to talk about exact time, we will use since. For example, since 2 o'clock, since 3rd April, since 1999, since last night, since morning. Okay, and if we want to talk about a time period, we will use the word for. For 2 hours, for 3 days, for 3 years, for a long time, we can write for a long time, for many days. Okay? So when you want to discuss about an exact time period, you will use since, and if it is about a time period, we will use for. So let's proceed with the rules of positive sentences, which will be like this: subject. According to the subject, we will use has or have. If the subject is singular, we will use has. If the subject is plural, we will use have. Plus been, to show that it is perfect continuous tense. Verb first plus ing followed by object. Let's see. Example. He has been studying for a long time. With the plural, they have been singing since 2 o'clock. Okay? So just pause the video and write down this much. I hope you must have done this much. Let me tell you rule for negative. Okay? So for the negative, subject, according to the subject we are going to put has or have. Then to make a negative sentence after has or have, we are going to use not, then been, then verb first, ing followed by object. I am going to show you negative here with the red color. In the same sentence, he has, we have to add not here. So the sentence will be he has not been studying for a long time, right? There is a full stop. They have not been singing since 2 o'clock. There is a full stop. Okay? So let me write this sentence for you. For negative, it will be he has not been studying. Then it would be same for a long time. Keep it same. And this one for plural, they have not been singing since 2 o'clock. Okay, you can again pause the video and match these two sentences with this rule. Okay. So I hope you must have understood. Let's do the interrogative. Interrogative means how you have to frame the question. To frame the question, first you have to bring helping verb in front of the subject. So it would be has or have plus subject plus been plus first form of the verb ing followed by object. So interrogative, let me tell you here, this is has, this is have. When you want to convert a sentence into interrogative, has would be written in front of subject. Have would be written in front of subject. So this sentence will be has, here we will write has, he been studying for a long time, and then we are going to put a question mark. Okay, and we'll remove have from here. Have they been singing since 2 o'clock, and then here we will have to put a question mark. Let us see the rule for interrogative negative. The rule for interrogative negative is very easy. In the same rule I am explaining you. Okay, just pay attention. Has, have plus subject, and if it is interrogative negative, then after have plus subject, then here we will have to use not plus been plus verb first ing plus object will remain same. And here in negative sentence I will show you how to make interrogative negative. Okay, interrogative negative is a negative question. So again here is has and here is have. So it is, has he not been studying for a long time, question mark, and have they not been singing since 2 o'clock, question mark. Okay, just pause the video and write this rule quickly. Okay students, so you can see here is the rule of positive subject, has or have plus been plus verb first ing plus object. This rule is for positive. For negative it is subject, has or have according to the subject, not for negative, been verb first plus ing and object will remain same. Then when you want to make a question, has or have will be written in front of the subject. Then been verb first ing and object will be same. Then when it is a negative question, has, have, subject, after the subject will put not because it is a negative question. Then been verb first ing and object will remain same. Now let us write some exercise sentences. So here are the exercise sentences. The first one, she has been cooking since 3 o'clock. It has been raining for a long time. Rohan has been writing for 2 hours. We have been playing since 2010. I have been reading for 3 months. You have been jumping since last night. So I can tell you the negative, interrogative and interrogative negative of these following sentences. You can note it down. I am going to leave these 4 so that you can do practice. For this, negative will be she has, here you have to add not. She has not been cooking since 3 o'clock. Interrogative will be, has she been cooking since 3 o'clock? Interrogative negative will be, has she not been cooking since 3 o'clock? For this sentence, the negative will be, it has not been raining for a long time. Interrogative will be, has it been raining for a long time? Question mark. Then interrogative negative will be, has it not been raining for a long time? Again question mark. These 4 I want you to solve, and if you have any doubts regarding any subject, you can always ask me on comment section. Okay, so have a good day children, enjoy this video.